doing our weekend food shopping because tomorrow it's closed. Supermarkets are closed.
Beautiful. What we having today? Fried rice, Chinese. Chinese style.
Chinese fried
Uncle
rice.
Wacha.
Okay. Ang mura ng Philadelphia cream cheese, guys, dito sa Germany. Sa Pilipinas, doble yata ang presyo niyan. But to my memory, when I was there, parang nasa 200 plus na siya, nasa 250 pesos. Maybe mas mahal na yan ngayon. Dito, guys, kahit hindi yan naka-sale, 2 euro something lang yan. Maybe 2.29. And ngayon, naka-sale siya, 1.19 or almost 2 euros.